Welcome to the Python Programming Language live lessons. I'm David Beasley, and I'll be taking you on this guided tour of the Python programming language. I've been using Python for more than 20 years and am the author of the Python Essential Reference published by Pearson and the Python Cookbook published by O'Reilly. For the past 8 years, I've been teaching Python courses to professional software developers. Prior to that, I was an assistant professor of computer science, where I primarily taught courses in operating systems and networks. This course aims to cover the essential features of Python programming through a series of practical programming examples. I assume that you are already a programmer and are familiar with programming concepts such as control flow, functions, and data structures. To get the most out of the lessons, it will be helpful to have some prior Python experience. Most of the examples are more advanced than you would find in a typical tutorial for absolute beginners. However, if you are new to Python but have significant experience in another language, you will be able to learn the essential parts of Python at a more accelerated pace. It is important to note that each lesson is focused on a big idea rather than exhaustive coverage of every possible detail from the reference manual. In each lesson, I address a specific practical problem and demonstrate the solution through code. I explain the steps being performed and why I am taking a particular approach. In addition, solutions are written using a modern Python style and programming idioms used by experienced Python developers. However, don't expect every possible corner case or esoteric detail to be covered. In some sense, the lessons are a springboard to initiate further discovery through books or online documentation. In the first few lessons, we start by using Python to perform data analysis tasks, such as reading files, building data structures, and performing calculations on that data. These first few programs then serve as a starting point for thinking about code organization and generalization. This takes us on a journey into object-oriented programming and some of the issues surrounding code reuse and extensibility. Later lessons dive into some of the advanced techniques used by frameworks and libraries to control the programming environment. This includes metaprogramming features such as decorators, descriptors, and metaclasses. Finally, the course concludes with an overview of generators and coroutines, one of the more interesting parts of Python that can be used for a wide range of applications, including data analysis and concurrent programming. So let's get started.